YouTube, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Tony here, back at it with a TonyWinTV video. Welcome back to my channel. Haven't give you guys an unboxing video in a very long time, so why not give you something special, because I did recently buy something cool, and that is the recent fall 2024 North Face Supreme collaboration, which is the Nuptse 700 jacket. I've been wanting one of these jackets for a very long time. They finally came out with a design that I really like, so why not get it? Today's video, what we're going to be doing is an unboxing video, a review, and then I'm also going to wear the jacket to show you guys how it looks like, and also give you like a little measurement fitting guide. So if you are looking for one of these jackets, I hope this video is what you guys are looking for. Right here we got the jacket. I've been waiting to open it. It's getting very cold here in Milwaukee, so before I really wanted to wear it, I thought I'd really give you guys this unboxing video. So let's get into it. Yes sir. Been waiting for this, So, but other than that, guys, I've been really waiting to get this jacket. Before I bought this jacket, I was indecisive between a medium or a large. I did try a large on and a medium at a store. Medium fits just right. Large fits good as well, but it's just a little bit too big. So I went with a medium. Hopefully when I try it on, it fits perfect. Of course, we got the bag. Oh, we got some special stickers. Thought I was gonna get the basic red sticker. Oh, here it is. You can't go wrong with the stickers. And what other stickers got included? Oh, of course, you gotta have that. Gotta have that. Put this to the side real quick. Nothing else in the bag. All right, let's toss that to the side. Been waiting to open up the jacket. Other than that, guys, with this right here, I got this in a size medium. Ooh. Oh, a lot of the gel packets though. Oh man. Ooh. That's nice. That's nice right there. Jacket right here, retailing this jacket was $438, pre-tax and all that stuff, but I ain't gonna lie, that is a lot. I remember when the North Face Supreme Nuptse jackets used to be $398, but hey, things went up. Guys, of course, we got the medium in the jacket. The front looks very nice and clean, all black. Of course, what we have on the right side is a North Face Supreme patch right there, which is really cool. Got the medium in the jacket as well. And of course, the back. Woo! That's nice right there. You know, I got that dog in me, you know. But artwork on this jacket was done by Raymond Pettibon. I don't know if I'm butchering it, but the full name to the artist is right here. He did a couple collaborations with Supreme in the past as well, but this was really nice. He also came out with the mountain jacket as well, along with some other things, which I'll put up right there. But this jacket is really nice. But yeah, this is pretty much the jacket, nice and thick. Oh, and of course, you have the 700 on the left sleeve right there as well. Hopefully it zooms in real nice. All right, right there. Oh, and of course, on the collar right there, they do come with the hood as well, if you wanted to have a hood open or so, if it's raining. But that's pretty fire. But 9 out of 10, I'm either gonna have a hoodie on or something, so we're just gonna tuck that back in like that. But other than that, guys, that is pretty much a nice, regular, simple review of the jacket. Let's get this on body right now and show you guys how it looks. I will give you guys the fitting guide, so if you guys are trying to get one of these jackets in the future, hopefully this video helps you out as well. Fire. Overall, I'm very happy with this jacket. This jacket is really amazing. Rumor has it that this is also the last North Face Supreme collaboration they're doing. And when I say rumor, the internet told me, so I guess we'll have to see in the coming years if they're gonna do any more North Face Supreme collaborations. All right, guys, well, other than that, there's not much to say on the jacket to show you, other than what I did show you. Let's get it on body and let's see how it looks. All right, guys, so other than that, let's get on with the fitting guide. Hopefully this looks out good. Oh yeah, this is nice. So I went with the medium. I did try the large on in store as well. The large did fit nice, but it looked a little more round, but the medium definitely fit nice. So real quick with my measurements, guys, I'm about 5'9". I weigh about 146, you know, all muscle of course. But went with a medium, definitely fits real nice. That's the back right there. Sleeve length isn't too crazy. It's literally very perfect. this is pretty much how it looks like right here, guys. I'm gonna put a hoodie on as well, just to give you guys the difference of how it looks. But other than that, guys, like I said, I went with a medium instead of a large, which I'm really happy I went with a medium because this actually fits a little bit better, I should say. But other than that, guys, let me put a hoodie on real quick to show you guys how it fits, and then that's pretty much it. All right, guys, like I told you, I got a hoodie on. See how it looks like. Now, when I originally tried the large on, I also did have a hoodie. It did definitely fit much better, but let's see how it looks like with extra layers on. Oh yeah, that don't look too bad. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie with y'all. I'm really glad I went with a medium. I think, like I told you before, if I got one with a large, it definitely would have been more bigger, but definitely the medium is the way to go. And on top of that too, the large was a little more looser. You know, with jackets, you want them not tight, but you know, just fitting, so it insulates all the heat and everything. But that's pretty much how it looks like with the hood on as well, y'all. Well, other than that, guys, that is the review on the North Face Supreme 700 Nuptse Jacket. Once again, artwork done by Raymond Penny Bond. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed this video, and hopefully it helped out with whatever you needed. If you guys really did enjoy this video, as always, please hit that thumbs up. Of course, comment down below if you need any help. I'd love to interact with you guys. And then, as always, if you're new to the channel and you dig the content, hit that subscribe button. But other than that, guys, until the next video, let's get it. Peace.